my channel The Smart Work. First of all, I want to thank all my subscribers who have supported me so much. You have helped me cross the 100 subscriber mark. Do continue supporting me for more such videos. Today I will be doing the cube mural of the Honourable MP of South Bangalore, Tejasvi Surya sir. I have used 456 cubes for this mural. Stay tuned till the end of the video because there is a surprise. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I have linked it in the description of my channel. So guys, this was the surprise I was speaking about at the beginning of the video. I will be teaching you all how to get a certain pattern on a completely solved Rubik's cube. So as you can see, it's completely solved. This is the pattern which we are going to learn today. Before we start off with the pattern, do let me know in the comment section below if you want me to make a video on the basics of a Rubik's cube. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is carefully observe the pattern. In this case, we get to see that the centerpiece is the yellow one. Therefore, we must start off with the yellow face towards us. Step 1. Move the back layer twice. Step 2. Move the left layer twice. And we are done with the pattern.